Hey everyone. A lot of people requested for how to manage the CarPlay install, how to connect it, how does it work. So I'm doing this video for mostly everybody that has an iPhone like me, and not an Android device. So here you go, guys. This is the CarPlay. I plugged it into the USB device, OEM device, and original cable going out to my other iPhone. So here's what you need to do. There's an app called ZBox, which I have the link. You can download it. I'll post it in the video. You connect ZBox. You connect your phone. At first, this is what you're gonna see. So if, let's say, we remove it, that's what happens. Plug it back. Phone connecting. CarPlay on. Connects. So I have connected right now Cyrus. Controls the phone. I'm on BPM. You wanna connect from the phone, use the radio, same thing. You can control it from both the phone and the unit. So if I want to go to Waze, it opens Waze, and then you can update Waze from the unit.
All set, let's go.
Or from the phone itself. So that's for the Waze through the ZBox or the CarPlay. It's like regular CarPlay. Messages,
Who do you want to send it to?
and then podcast, Google Maps, music, phone. Same thing for the phone. Steering wheel controls are on. So that's about it. That's how CarPlay works. It's very easy. I can also use Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. So let me check. Oh. Hey Siri. Okay, my wife hasn't activated Siri on the phone, so that's why it's not working. Actually, my watch is grabbing it. So Siri works with the messages.
Who do you want to send it to?
Send the message to Savak Merdinian.
What do you want to say?
Testing the T8 head unit.
Your message to Sevik Merdinian says testing the T8 head unit. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
So I just received a message from my wife's phone saying testing T8 head unit. Google Maps. So the only thing that I need to tell you, once you're connected to the OEM device, OEM unit AUX, there is something you need to do on the device itself so that the USB is faster and debugging. So you will go to settings, car settings, extra settings, password is 123456, and force USB 1.1, put it on open. So once you do that, the USB becomes faster for some reason. Don't ask me why. So I've changed this. It's a skin. It's pretty neat, pretty nice. So I can go into the Z box and then have CarPlay. As you see, you can control everything from everywhere like regular CarPlay. Next. So that's about it, guys.
Touch Afrojack with Jules and Sparks now. I enjoyed making it. I'll see you guys on the dance floor soon. Cheers.
If you have any questions, let me know. Put them down in the comments. I'm pretty active. I'll reply as fast as I can. Usually it takes 5 minutes, the latest. I don't know what else I want to cover. So this is the menu for my XM. That's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you need anything. I'll be able to assist you. So that's the CarPlay, guys. I haven't connected it to the USB that comes with the T8, but I have connected the T8 to the original OEM USB. Take care, guys. Have a good night.